Unlock a bigger, brighter world for your Android entertainment by wirelessly casting your phone's screen directly to your Fire TV stick. Let's dive into the simple steps to make this happen. First, ensure both your Android device and your Fire TV stick are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for a seamless connection. On your Android phone, swipe down from the top of the screen to access your quick settings panel. Look for an icon that usually says Cast, Screencast, Smart View, or something similar. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your phone's manufacturer. Tap on that icon. Your phone will then begin searching for available devices to cast to. Now, grab your Fire TV remote, press and hold the Home button to bring up the Fire TV menu. In the menu that appears on your TV screen, navigate to and select the mirroring option. Your Fire TV stick will now be ready to receive a connection. Back on your Android phone, you should now see your Fire TV stick listed among the available devices. Simply tap on the name of your Fire TV stick to initiate the connection. Almost there, a confirmation prompt might appear on your Fire TV stick for you to approve the connection. Once you accept, your Android screen will instantly appear on your TV. Now you can enjoy everything from your favorite mobile games and streaming apps to photos and videos, all on your big screen. It's perfect for sharing with friends, family, or even for making presentations more impactful. And that's all there is to it. Enjoy your enhanced entertainment experience with screen mirroring on your Fire TV stick.